What's your name?
My name is Faria.
What's your father's name?
My father's name is Farooq Hossain.
What's your mother's name?
My mother's name is Uma Khatun.
What's your village name?
My village name is Laudora.
What class are you in?
I reading class 3.
What is your school's name?
My school name is Medhavikesh Kindergarten School.
Can you tell me what is vowel?
The letter which can be pronounced without help of any other letter are called vowel.
What is consonants?
The letter which cannot be pronounced without help of any other letter are called consonants.
What is language?
The language which is man's talking, writing and speaking of any language correctly.
What is grammar?
Grammar is a method of reading, writing and speaking of any language correctly.
What is English grammar?
English grammar is a method of reading, writing and speaking of any language correctly.
What is the structure of present indefinite tense?
Present indefinite tense, subject plus verb 1 plus object plus extension.
What is the structure of present continuous tense?
Present continuous tense, subject plus verb 3 ভার্বের সাথে ing plus subject plus extension.
Subject plus am is are plus verb ing plus extension. What is the structure of present perfect tense?
Present perfect tense, subject plus verb 3 plus extension.
Subject plus have has plus verb 3. Say some translation. আমি ভাত খাই।
I eat rice.
আমি ভাত খাই না।
I don't eat rice.
আমি চা পান করি।
I take tea.
আমি চা পান করি না।
I don't take tea.
আমি কোরআন পড়ি।
I read the Quran.
আমি কোরআন পড়ি না।
I don't read the Quran.
আমি সংবাদপত্র পড়ি।
I read newspaper.
আমি সংবাদপত্র পড়ি না।
I don't read
আমি
newspaper.
খেলা করি।
I play.
আমি খেলা করি না।
I don't play.
মিথ্যা বলো না।
Don't tell a lie.
চা পান করো না।
Don't take tea.
সেখানে যেও না।
Don't go there.
থ্যাংক ইউ।